Hi, welcome to Cube. Come on in. This is where it all happens. A Ford Ranger we've been working on for electrical innovations. Also working on 3 customs for JKR here. Some of the team. Hi Chloe, hi Chris. Hi. Hi Jade.
Hi.
We'll head on up to production. Hi Tony. We're running 3 rolling printers at the moment. Basically run 24/7, try to keep up with demand. Design. Hi guys. Office. This is office. Hi Gary. His office. Caroline. So right now we're looking for more staff. We urgently require vehicle installers and production staff. It's a great place to work with some great benefits. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, call us today or you can visit Cubewraps.scot for more info. Thank you.